Hey guys, today we're making a soap using the Screen Lift Swirl, and for my tools I'm using this mat. It's like that I got on Amazon. It's a mat for like a kitchen sink for doing dishes or whatever, and then I just cut it to the size that I needed. And I'm also using this basket that I just happened to find at Burlington Coat Factory on clearance, and it just happened to fit my mold perfectly. So I'm just putting this, I'll be putting that in my mold, and then the mat right on top of it. Okay, now because this slab mold is 2 bars thick, so my design, the focus of the design is not going to be on the top. It's actually going to be in the center where we divide this soap into the 2 different layers of bars. So on the top, this kind of looks kind of murky, which is the norm for this kind of design. So I just left over a little bit of soap batter in each color. And I'm just going to, with each color, just taking my time, just going horizontal lines like this until all the batter is gone or you've used up what you want to use up. And then I'll just use a skewer and put a little design on the top because it's just to beautify the top a little bit. because like I said, the design that you're going for with this method, it's not going to be on the top of the soap, and I think there's been a little bit of confusion about that for people who have tried this technique. Again, the secret to getting the nice design is in the middle of the soap, so you want to have at least 2 layers, and we'll go over that again when I cut it. And I think if you don't see what I mean yet, you will definitely see what I mean when I cut it. I've just unmolded my soap. It's been almost 24 hours. And so this is what it looks like before I cut it. So when I cut it, I'm going to be cutting it into like 4 logs this way. So 4 individual logs, and then I'm going to cut each of those logs into 6 blocks. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to cut each one horizontally right through. So like cutting horizontal on the plane where the design is of